This video is to go back over the area model just to make sure that we are okay with it. So I'm going to start with an example. It says 2x squared minus 3x equals 20. Feel free to pause at any time to follow along or watch. I'm going to work through one and then I'm going to put one on the side in a second to make sure that you can work through it solo. With this, I am going to move the 20 over because we are solving. With the area model, if you go with the method of your A times C, excuse me. So 2 times a negative 20 gives us negative 40. Our B term is negative 3. So what values are we going to use here? What multiplies to be negative 80 but adds to be negative 3? That is going to give us negative 8 and 5. So continuing on with the area model, if you work out this way, remember, we cannot just go straight with the negative 8 and the 5 because our A value is greater than 1. Our A value is 2. So here we're going to plug in the 2x squared. We're also going to plug in the negative 20. And then here is our negative 8x and our 5x. All right, because if we were to combine those, it would give us the negative 3x from our B value. From here, you do your greatest common factor going up. 2x squared and negative 8x. It's going to give us 2x. We use that sign from the top row. 5x and negative 20 is going to give us 5. And then we do the same thing going across. 2x squared and 5x gives us our greatest common factor is x. Negative 8x and negative 20. Our greatest common factor is negative 4. So our factors are 2x plus 5 and x minus 4 equals 0. If we were to check this, if you were to actually multiply this back out, it does give us the quadratic we started with, so we know that we're on the right path. Set each one equal to 0. 2x plus 5 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. We get x is negative 5/2 here, and x is a positive 4. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to write one on here. Let's see. We'll do that one. 5m squared minus 18m equals negative 9. All right, if you are practicing the area model with this video, go ahead and pause and try this problem. In about 10 seconds, I'm going to start working through the problem silently so you can watch along if needed. So if you're still working this solo, you can do a check-in. I've got my 2 values that I'm going to be plugging into Alright, so if you're checking in, I have the final answer up here. You can see how I've worked through it, what my values were, and my GCFs. If you're feeling better with the area model, try some of the extra practice that I have linked down below.